Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Adriana and this is a space where I share recipes with you that I love. Today I want to share with you one of my all-time favorite breakfast recipes from Mexico, that of huevos a la mexicana, or roughly translated to Mexican styled eggs. But I'm going to make them completely plant-based for you. Now, huevos a la mexicana can be served in so many different ways, but my favorite way to eat them is in a taco. So this is basically a breakfast taco recipe for you. Usually in Mexico, when you find recipes with the name a la mexicana or Mexican style, it's very simple. All that means is that they actually incorporate the three colors of the Mexican flag. So the red, the green, and the white. In these recipes, traditionally that would be tomato for the red, white onion for the white, and most often it's a jalapeno or a serrano pepper. I'm going to be serving this dish to my daughter, so I'm actually going to be using some cilantro instead, but feel free to do whatever you want at home, whether it's that serrano, the jalapeno, or the cilantro. Also, in this type of recipe, I really find that the cilantro brings a beautiful flavor to the rest of the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So that's another reason why I'll be using that for this plant-based recipe. At home, if you don't want to try out the plant-based version of this, you're more than welcome to use the eggs, but I wouldn't add any of the other ingredients that I'll be adding. I would simply just keep it with the onion, tomato, and your green preference at home. So let's get started. For our ingredients, we're going to need 1 block of firm tofu crumbled, 1 cup of chopped tomato, 1/3 cup of chopped cilantro, or 1 jalapeno chopped or a serrano chopped. I will be using cilantro. 1 cup of chopped white onion, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 garlic clove chopped, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of liquid aminos, 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast, some salt to taste, and a pinch of black pepper. To make our huevos a la mexicana, it's going to be so easy. We're only going to need 1 pan. I'm using a cast iron skillet on medium heat. I'm going to start by adding our olive oil. Let that heat up for a quick second. I'm going to add our onion. And our garlic. And I'm going to let the onion and the garlic cook together for just about a minute or so, just to get them a little transparent and start coming together. And now I'm going to add our tomato with the juice. At this point, I'm going to add the turmeric to let that bloom with the rest of the ingredients before I add the tofu. I'm also going to add the cumin, our black pepper, and just a pinch of salt. The onion is looking great, so at this point I will be adding the tofu. Also, the liquid aminos, the nutritional yeast, and another pinch of salt. We can always adjust the salt later. You can really smell the beautiful flavor of the turmeric and the cumin coming together. Honestly, it smells so much like eggs. And at this point, it's really important that you mix the tofu around to make sure that you really get that turmeric color into every piece of the tofu, because that's what's going to mimic the beautiful egg color. We can see that all of the juices are all coming together. There's not much at the bottom, so at this point, I will add the cilantro. I'm going to let this cook down for about 5 minutes. I like my tofu to get a little bit crispy, but obviously this totally depends on you and the preference of how you normally like your eggs to be cooked. At this point, I'm going to taste it just to see how our salt is coming along. It's really hot, so be careful. Ooh. I can definitely add a little bit more salt. And remember, tofu doesn't have any flavor. It's a very, very sort of mild taste to it. So this is the reason why we're adding all of these other ingredients that you normally wouldn't add in a huevos a la mexicana, just to really bring out some more in-depth flavor to that tofu. At this point, the tofu is looking like beautiful scrambled eggs. But I want the flavors to incorporate a little bit longer. I want that tomato and that cilantro flavor to really just kind of go in deeper into the tofu. So I'm gonna let it cook here for about another 3 minutes. So I think our tofu eggs are done. As you can see, there's no more liquid at the bottom of the pan. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. It's a really good indication that all of the flavors have come together. So I'm actually just gonna stop here. So now that our Mexican tofu scramble is done, I'm ready to plate it. My favorite way to eat this is in a taco. So what I have here is some fresh homemade tortillas. If you need a recipe for this, I'll link that down below and make an annotation. Now I'm gonna add our huevos a la mexicana. Next, I like to top this with a beautiful salsa. If you haven't seen my video on this salsa, I'll link it down below as well. It's one of the easiest salsas ever. And of course, like any good Mexican taco, you want a little bit of onion, some fresh cilantro, and you can never go wrong with a little bit of lime juice. So there you have one of the most traditional breakfast recipes of Mexico, huevos a la mexicana, but now completely veganized, plant-based, just for you. Honestly, this has always been, since I was little, one of my favorite breakfast recipes, and I'm so excited to finally share it with you in a vegan version. So let's go ahead and try it. The tortilla smells so good too. The tofu really incorporated all of the flavors of the tomatoes and the onion and the fresh cilantro with some of the spices. Not only does this look like an actual tofu scrambled egg, but it actually really tastes like the way that an egg a la Mexicana would taste, huevos a la Mexicana. I hope that you really try this recipe at home and let me know if you like it, and buen provecho.